Every building tells a story. For some, that story is short. For heritage buildings, that story is longer, deeper, richer. Preserving these age-old buildings also preserves their unique stories. That story may be cultural, a history of Canada's art and music and dance. For others, the story may be one of trade and commerce and political will. Still, others document our faith and the complexity of our past. Preserving our heritage buildings is an important investment in the present and future of our nation. Restoration and preservation can revitalize neighborhoods, create jobs, and attract tourism. It keeps our communities vibrant and alive. Heritage buildings can bring communities together and act as social and cultural hubs, and create inspirational workplaces for makers and doers. Ecclesiastical Insurance has been working to protect our heritage for more than 130 years. We've used this time to learn how to help protect heritage buildings from damage and to carefully restore them should a catastrophe occur. Because we understand the role these buildings play, and we are fascinated by the stories they tell.